Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Australian report, and starting on the daily chart, and we'll work in from here. And as you know, we've been working through this complicated lengthy triangle pattern here, but we're still counting it in 5 waves as a triangle is, in terms of wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D and wave E, and each structure having 3 internal waves in each side. Now this from wave D here, we were looking at an A and a B and a C here for the A wave. Then we were looking for the B wave, which is in place. So now we should be looking at a C wave moving into this leg here, which will be in 5 waves. So today we'll count those 5 waves up from the low. Once that's completed here, then we'll see this market move down from this leg here. And this is what we're looking for. So on the 4-hour chart, just to move into this space a little bit complicated in there, but as we expand it out here, a little bit off track here, but basically from wave D here, we're looking to wave E here, and we're looking at that in terms of an A wave, a B wave and a C wave here. And the internal structure for the A wave is an A and a B and a C here. We can move that, we can move that. Didn't quite climb as high as the 61.8% in that case. So we're still looking at, I'm going to clean this up as I go. I'm running a little bit late today, so you can work with me. So an A and a B here, and the C wave into this space here for the B wave here. And now we're looking for 5 waves up. Now I don't know, I can pull things out of, technically we can be looking at, from a technical point of view, from wave C here down to wave D here, from this high to this high here, we would be looking for, but I wouldn't put too much weight on this either. This is the 50-60% retracement level. We can put it there, it's fine. I just don't know, things in this triangle are a little bit odd. So we can look at this here as we're looking for 5 waves up. So we can look at 1 and 2 here and 3 here. It should get a bit complicated across here, and then up for 5. So something like this. I'll take it up to the 61.8%. And it may even go higher, some of the rallies have been going, to 70, 78 and so on. So, but our job is to count 5 waves up. Once completed, then we'll see this move down through here. So that's where we are on the 4-hour chart. I'll just go to the hourly chart and update that as well here. So and we're on this pathway here now, so just move that. This is 1 and 2 in here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. So we should see the top of wave 3, mirror this scenario here, and expect it to be, the arrival, the reaction, first high above the level, but expect a little bit of time here, before seeing the 5th wave moving up here higher. We'll take a closer look at this on the tick chart in a moment. So wave 5 of C, of E, of B here, that's what we're looking for here, and then this move down. I mean, this will give a chance for the banks to rally before they drop further. So on the tick chart here, so this is where we were, wave C here. So we've got 1 and 2 in here, 3 here, then 4, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for that. And that's for the B wave here. it's a little bit complicated in here for this 1 and 2 here. So I'm just going to put that on that high here, and that here. I mean, we could even get an extension in some of these as well. So the other one in here, we took the 61.8% from another wave over there, but it's always good to take it from where you're working with as well here. So that will bring us into see this here. This is also the 61 and the 50 here, so that's going to be perfect. That's, you know, we're at 5,700. We got the 50 and the 60 in here, so that, you know, that will play out there. Expect wave 4 to pull back 38.2% of that third wave up. I'll just move these across. Save that. I want to go in here and have a little bit of a look in here. This will be the A wave, B wave in here, and C wave in here. And I'm just guessing that I just want to check this out here a little bit. So I'm going to go from basically 100 ticks here to 20 ticks. It'll give me a bit more insight on that little trend. Okay, so we've got wave 1, we've got the A wave, an A and a B and a C for the B wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave. This is actually quite complicated for wave 2, so wave 4 here may not be that complicated. I can't draw on this side of the tick chart here, but I can see that we've got wave 1 in this space here. Let me just... We've got wave 1 to here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3, so 4, 5, yeah. So here, so this is just wave 1 here and wave 2. So this will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 just for the third wave. So the third wave will be, yeah, the third wave could come up here higher, and then the fourth and the fifth. So we're on the right track. So we'll be up here somewhere. We'll be 5.7 to 5.10. To get that correction in here. And the other thing that, you know, Thursday in the bullish weekly cycle, and there is a little article on this in the website there somewhere, but, you know, if Thursday is the bearish day, then we'll see Friday and Monday be the bullish days. Okay, so if Friday closes strong or firm today, then we know that that bullish weekly cycle is in play, and then Monday will follow through on that. If Thursday was, you know, wasn't a bear day and it was actually a rally, and it went up on the Thursday, then I know that Friday and Monday would be the bearish days. So yeah. Right, I'll just leave it at that. So we're pretty much on track, and you'll just have to work through the levels, but you know, at least we know where we are roughly. So yeah, that's where we are. So yeah, stay long, but yeah, you know, yeah, it's been pretty hard to get equity trades while all this is going along here, so I haven't really put any in there, you know. It's just not, we don't have a trending environment, so I'm just keeping a tight ship, that's all. Okay, alrighty, cheers.